afternoon, Mustangs. These are your West announcements. Today is Thursday, March 31st, the last day of March 2016. Choir auditions are in 3 weeks. Practice your solfege, brush up your music theory, and sign up in the choir room for a chance to be something great. Don't know what choir is all about? Check out this video.
Let me hear you sing. It doesn't matter if your days are long. It doesn't matter if your nights gone wrong. Just clap your hands and stomp your feet and sing it. It doesn't matter if he let you go. It doesn't matter if she hurt you so. Get up and dance. Just feel that beat and sing it. I don't know what you've been told, but music make you lose control.
Bora is having a cheer clinic April 1st from 5 to 9 and April 2nd from 3 to 7. Anyone is welcome. It is $25 and you get a t-shirt. Yes, I've said it again and I'm going to say it again, a t-shirt. See Miss Erickson for the form. Also in cheerleading news, watch this video.
Come on, baby, and drop it. Scrub the floor and just mop it. Show these gangsters how you pop lock it. Don't care what you got in your pocket. I beat the way that you rockin' with that thing. Girl, stop it. Wanna just bang, bang, and pop it. While the club crowd are just watching. Work it out. Got a gang of cash and it's going all on the ball. Now work it out. And it's going fast cause I feel like a superstar. Now work it out. And you may not have it, I might have just broke the law. Now work it out. It's your turn to grab it, now make this whole thing yours. Now work it out.
Hey, said our hustlers' work is never through. We making it cause we make it move. The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Ew.
West students, your 9th grade AVID students are now collecting much needed items to donate to the veterans, active military members, and need your help. Yes, we need your help. We are looking for things such as travel size hygiene products, packaged toilet paper, and non-perishable food items. Items will be collected now through Monday, April 18th, and should be brought to your 9th period teacher. Look for a more detailed list items you can donate in your 9th period class this Monday. Girls of West, are you interested in finding out about careers for women in the trades? Then go to this free program on April 1st in the Premium Building, which will be open until 5 p.m. Now let's go to Jackson in sports.
Thanks, Emily. All 7th grade ladies interested in playing volleyball, please attend an informational meeting on April 6th in Mrs. Burton's room during lunch, 11:08 in room 218. Now, speaking of volleyball, 7th and 8th grade girls, Bora is hosting an open gym for volleyball every Monday from 3:30 to 5. Ride the bus from here to Bora and get some extra practice in with the Bora coaches. All girls that are planning on playing basketball at West and Bora next year, please attend the basketball meeting in the small gym Thursday, April 7th at lunch. 8th and 9th graders interested in trying out for the Bora dance team are invited to attend a free prep class this Friday, April 1st, which is tomorrow, from 3:30 to 4:30 in the South Junior High Gym. Come learn some dance team fundamentals, and you will be more prepared and confident for the dance team auditions, which are April 6th, 7th, and 8th, 5:30 to 7 at Bora. Did you miss the cheer camp meeting? No worries. See Miss Erickson in room 105 for the form. If you want to come to cheer camp, make sure you give your $20 to Mrs. Duke in the office. Now, To weather. Today, the high should be around 64 degrees with a low of 38 degrees. It should hopefully be sunny all day with no chance of rain. Now back to Emily in the studio.
Thanks, Jackson. Yesterday's question today was approximately how many takes does it take to make these announcements every single day? The answer is 3 to 5, but it's a lot more if Andy is directing. Leave that in, please. Today's question today is, would you rather have your birthday on Halloween or February 29th? I want mine on Halloween. Tune in tomorrow to find out. Well, Wes, that is how it is. Stay kind and classy, West Junior High.